Hi everyone, welcome to my live. In this live video, I'm going to talk about Jueyinshaoyang pattern. Jueyinshaoyang pattern. I've shown you about a few global balance, and I hope you have use it and practice in the practice in the patient. If you have any question, please leave your question in this group. So I'm currently aiding people to watch this live video. So if you have a friend who would like to know more about acupuncture technique, and please invite them to join this group. So we're going to talk about Jueyinshaoyang today. So how do you apply Jueyinshaoyang? So let's talk about Jueyin. Where's Jueyin? Right. Let's talk about foot Jueyin. Right. Keep adding tag people in, so you can tag your friend into this one if you wanted to. Okay, that's it. Tagging enough people. Hi Harry, how are you? So Jueyin meridian. Foot from here, right? Over here and up and go there, and Dr. Tan Jueyin is actually on the tibia bone up here. So it went from here, like Jueyin meridian from here, oops, and went then here and come to the side. You see, this is Jueyin meridian and stop in here. Now, this is foot Jueyin. What about hand Jueyin? Middle finger, right? Go in the middle of your arm, coming to here. That's Jueyin. Hand Jueyin. Open up foot Shaoyang and hand Shaoyang. Hand Shaoyang, ring finger. Up here, go there, and go there, and behind your ear. And then go to here, about temple in here. Right, that's hand Shaoyang. What about foot Shaoyang? Let's go. We started from the hands and foot, eh? It should be from the top to the bottom, right? So here's the pathway. Oh no, that's the Taiyang on the fourth toes. Over here, go up the side of the body. You see, and then go that line, go there, and then go there, and then keep going up here, and then go to the front to here, and then go back again to here, and on the side of your head here, and down to from here, the temple, down to the forehead, and down to here. That's why we said the headaches and the forehead in here. This is Yangming meridian, but in here is actually foot Shaoyang in here. So not all forehead headaches are Yangming. That's Shaoyang as well. So what Jueyinshaoyang pattern can do is for what I just showed you, all the pathway. If there's pain in there, itchiness, skin problem, whatever, and then you can apply this. Right. So let's have a look. On this side, on hand, Sanjiao 10 and 3. Then the opposite side, GB